iko imara,
imesimama kidete.
JKA imesija
Na tumesija.
Nikuna kenda heti ya kiugatiri. Mwendio sakari.
Dachayaga.
Na kemwaji gatungu newe katia.
Nikwenjera.
Ndio. Na utie kega kiuma ke.
Hega.
There's a bunch of proverbs that would describe the same thing. Waichake hei hiyo ndio.
Hiyo ni ora.
From the core. You see, growing up, especially in the 80s and the 90s, uhoro wegi go stand out was not an easy affair. Because we all looked the same.
And the common denominator was
yes.
Wagi.
Wagi. And ure mwira kwa tiriri oko muti na yekiri mu make use of something else. Yes. Netwa inaka odoka ugakuhanana. So if you wanted to look good, one day you know it, you would not sustain it.
Now even looking good,
yes,
maybe an occasional thing.
Either your sister or your own miara mano na Nairobi okite holiday atusize toke to nini all the makwayaje kiko mahuhererio ke marasi you would not sustain that scent.
no rinyita miruga nake
yes
masoma ine mitare-ine
whatever those are miruga nake
mauti makora gwite metagwo miruga nake.
Okay, what are those?
They're just weed. No rio uguo ria gwikuria na mibangi.
They had the pungent.
Wacha mubangi was a very strong scent.
Na mubangi I know it's a black jack. Yes. No, the perfume you your sister ya muko na aso kaniro vile. What it okay? So you have never felt anything like that. No, munugo shi wani uturaisa wone mafariti rosi.
Kanothi watu matoma mithanduku.
Yes. It was in very rare occasion. Yes. If you want to sister, especially the ladies, see story ule ameomoka. Oka ni mwamune tiri toto ni na mamu ratiri. Kongi tuikire.
Kongi.
And boom, that would be the inspiration.
That you see, keo kongi. Kwanyu hatiri kindu gikoroge.
Otire so.
Do koigwa kong.
No, if it is the rainy season, you even sing. But the whole thing that kira to gia elevate. It would inspire.
Kina hilo.
It would inspire the diva in you.
Kongi.
Gai odiate na sia gai Joyce. And then if you are a good sister, your sister ni okana kafeti. Karia ara hurokirie. Aga kuhovera. That girl would think they are Cleopatra.
Kurio giathire na kono kanitha.
Yes. And actually what you can get kiria hau thini of valley ni wekira mutahatu kana gwasi
ciringi ya kuhotha.
Yes. Never mind, you would feel good about it. Now for the boy shout, it was a bit technical. Boy shout go stand out, although it involved money.
Boy shout ni kuigirira.
You get a hand soni poranga. Yes. Natagara. Yes. Na musifi we na bako kwaje he bako iho yari na tariwa. No, that one was rare. You there the ala coste. Iri ana diwa diroka. ya cowboy
ukamenya this is it
leu aria maruragia piuri bakora aitha ni ari makuso Nairobi yes oka uku Nairobi hehe kiundu we endithagia nao aitha physically kwa higwo cukuru makamwetia tondu he handles the physical chores yes makamwetia na ndirangori no kene jwe ni marahinga
ni mahingite thukuru
yes leu oka Nairobi ni wahitanaga na ciringi ugetha kindu gitagwo chemical relaxer yes relaxer ni ya activate calls yes
juere
unajua hii nywele yetu hii ngumu
nywele ngumu
yes nywele yetu niko taka super bright fran leu athiaga leu anyita na mayoyo na Nairobi na makiria boys to men yes the Backstreet Boys na Coolio and the 40 Thieves kakuo okero yaji akushinani weke ate Dayo de asinante na inachoma aidha bio yada bioli the result would make your hair look like a newborn calf totugotie hadu hagi wana najurete otiwa gasauke
gasauka musiara no
weso kokako kindu gitagwo curl activator gel riu kahana riu bad boy wewe siria riu wene Johnny Michael
giyoko na tawatuika msanii
yes ukona riu wewe nameless wewe ni watuika Johnny Michael
na ni hothairwo mu t-shirt uria wahanaga neti
ni wandikitwo 71
na 05
ni wa NBA Lakers yes kana Chicago
Bulls
yes Chicago Bulls ni enda yegu yarogo
muno
yes ugacoka riu ukahakuka hair glow kau yeto hair glow inagicagi hair glow ciana ni ciariaga
hair glow ni yahinyagwo ni ciana you know it was sugary
they would think it is juice
ciana semana na indo nyingi cia sukari githemba kiu
yes and we had the serious machinery to digest leaving no harm waikara na Nairobi wetereire ugacoka gicagiri ukarurie yes
no cuke ngari haria mungetho
wega biu hindi o henetie
ndore makunyararaga makuone
mamenya ni wekirie kale kiti you know back then there were no these suspicions of forex
and hura one
ndio hiyo there was only one SIM card. So people didn't have the imagination of nowadays they would think that
mothe no maguta gukwo wega
wathiaro ngona tagara yaku kaboka utaga kofia gai kare karangeta juere gai mani kana macho mani
ndio ina limboko itasemanitie na ndoro
takira mani kana tupakisa cool ndio uretie yes na hii alingi cia kunyitithia tondu ngetura mau matu ni wahurukio
ogerorie kofia rwere
yes you would be the bull of Auckland. The babes would come running after you.
Amanya, you have seen beyond the village.
Ndio ni ugurete kiria perfume ya you itanajia kuthirwo riu kiondo kiria giacogire kimirana out of market tanajia kuthirwo last respect yes we na yorada yes kana cobra yes what are you saying
Wewe kusema.
Wana samido. Already get stage. Yes.
Joke kwa jelu ginya wokelu na mekwa yanye bosi ya githungu.
Yes. Okay na mukwa wala kindumbe. Yes. Poli gidie how. Please ona. Yes.
Akamanya the man has landed.
Yes. Never mind on them wa hoya go heo. Mekwa you don't understand what they are singing.
No ginya wedi guo ya.
Yes.
Mamenyo na leo moja.
Kana hemu kwa wa Tevin Campbell. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. I will tell you.
No, looking good was not easy.
It was not, and you would not put up that feet for long.
Asa.
No, it was sustenance was another thing.
Actually, you had to make sure.
Yes.
I go do the kwedi guo ya.
Yes.
You had to mark the best day.
Yes.
Nigetha message you muthenya wa mbere the farthest possible.
Uhoro ciore. Iko ni kiu ni muracio mutatira.
Make an impression.
Yes. Lasting. Trend.
Todo do ethirurukia mu kiundu kiu wikiri.
Hashtag ye ori ethietaka. You see what would happen? We get that chemical relaxer because I remember being inspired by Jeff Koinange. We hakayo oi. Waga maguta mako be service ni. Jure atu ka brown.
Ogathi Kenya udiko amuga.
Gakora po gir choice re udio ekiatia.
Wejo.
Unyoleo. I inspired o karaga jure ne Jeff Koinange. Yes. Ya karaga. Arana tuweka wa horio. That time he was working for Reuters. Yes. Na mudogo to Red Sun. You know the Red Sun jure yake ikuwa nywele gumu.
Yeah, hiyo sio nywele ngumu.
But alikuwa vile alikuwa anaiweka. Yes. Still on the TMBT. There's a very popular series. I think it's from the Tyler Perry Studios. I don't know if they did another season here with the haves and the have-nots. Yes. The haves and the have-nots. Of course, it's simply like it sounds. Aria menasio
naria matari
naria gethua agwetaga
no docio no akuma demina mathathi.
It is historical. Na tene na haria kwerago muriganio wi thari tha cia koragwo ho okoro mwire voke
imwe
because you are facing similar
challenges.
Yes, you could relate. Ati hadu ha marariri netuna ne mutuke
nuthu.
Yes. But if your neighbor was a have and you are the have not, daradi eti dali na kindu gitagwo empathy. Ya tini
mukurarira
werago wa nyine katia rarira
ni ukurarira.
Yes. And in that light wakorare migunda ni yakwiraga piu goko andu maikarite atia. You see goko gwa kawaida ri ti maita maige person ni yatwikaga black
itunda re passion.
Yes.
Litunda re passion riruire iguru mweko
no riko yure hando ogekinyira ni okobofa de Sayuni
ati hau no nyoni egekinya
and you would spend an entire Sunday afternoon kureikiria thoi
na gufigara utare uri ogire harurukia.
Yes. Waitanga wakoraga you know it was very rare ro gospel to gikura ukorate mushugwa ociarete ta muhua na duratu
ucio no raririo na banga.
And you see waitanga wakora mudari ni uri thiringi through when you thegege mwekera ha face ni undu wa PR
O mwena uria wi bara.
Yes. Uko kimukahanda ki? Mekongo. Na Carolina.
Natural vegetation.
Na nyanya joy. Yes.
Kana kumwe you just have an imaginary boundary.
Yes. You just know you do as a trench sort of. Muka kuhanda
Ginyahana.
Yes.
Mukamenya tukinyagia haha.
Yes.
Ugithimana na mutarako uria hau niho muha.
Yes. Riu wakora ugu kwa halves ri. Have not together ma kwa some of their delicacies ri. You would either use the old school way of stealing or you employ heavy
diplomacy.
Yes. Utamuthoni uguo gutwira uhoro wa kwao. Kumbe watu walireformia tu in Nairobi.
No, people have stolen, especially edibles. Almost everyone.
Yes. Tondu wanjona niwaikara uguo kona neighbor wanyu riu nimeikaletie wega matikona craving cia indo cia mugunda. Riu ugathikia nda kwanyu no target ti kwanyu niku
Uria.
Yes. You plan a haste. Especially mathamano na menya itonga itingiaruka mugunda. Yes.
Ukamenya mama ni nyaru marekereirio guoma.
Ya maria matunda maria magithungu ngai. Inda cia githungu ni iria waturaka ni ma iguru wa gucia giuka giothe. It's a soft passion. Ngai macie yeru ngai.
Isso veta gonyoro.
Veta odede. Isso nyoro ne irigo. Yes. Ugataima kamenya riu. Ugigwa makia kamemeri. They have now settled.
Ni mareketie mawira ma mugunda.
Yes.
Ni ma settle muci. Metereire sapa.
You just make sure you don't go near the compound muno so that the dogs don't pick
your movement,
your smell. Yes, and the cows don't get jittery.
Yaje kwania
Ewe moria nege kule mugunda
no e mugunda icio ng'ombe ni ciona mundu
ciani icio ngoro itigamba go. So you would map out during the day and the vantage point wale kwanyu mote iguru so that you can see, you can observe. Now no na ginya jire tu mete iguru. Yeke map.
The Waja boys.
Karia nika. What do you call the sweet banana? The wangae.
Twa wangae.
Yes. Kawangae na mwena mugi mama gai.
Ni muweru.
And these idiots cannot even notice. The meiga niria ya gai oi.
Kwa irigo ni riekirie na rikeruhira iguru.
Yes.
Kwanyu ni makararirie pio.
Makiraga pio. Totumia twaze kukurumana. Ka tugafuthira nuthu.
Na murigaini how you have everything.
Even their plants pollinate you.
Teri ni uri omwe.
Yes. Look kama pautu kamenya at dusk. The haste is on. Man, I got out there the diplomacy teno ya muthoni uyu wa digital. Ni ukagera kwao ukiharagirira mahuti ma mburi. So that you can have an excuse
ya kumauma na mugunda for one.
Yes.
Ndugukira bara.
Kaiwa masi. Aya kayoko. Aya. Alwago tu mahuti.
Dona de mutwire mahuti ma mburi.
Kafolika ukanyu ndaigwa kania muno. Ndaigwa ndakaharirire. Niwe kawe ai.
Kimeikirie.
Nyokware okuo. Mugeithia na riu gucokia na igwe koro enda ihuna eduma. Asa kasakara mugondo kamya you have been given the license to steal.
You have been granted access.
Yes.
To the property.
Yes. You have stay order. What's a cool king with your delicacies? Yes.
Ukauga mama nindi ndarekererio njokere mugunda
ai wahetukana na thina kiande. And you see another scenario, you have to be tactical. If you steal it, you don't steal at the edge. And you have to steal and take care of the entire plant. So where you na diwati ga mumera ri
ni weneana
ni ukurio nura ri kianda kiri ku muthenya uri
kuria nura ri guku ira hwaini
ore ukithia na mahuti haha sasa maritani.
Odaga iyo passion yo koma
na vika konyaka oka ndio nario kianda
kana passion ugacuhana rurio rugima
wega kwa jamana okorate ni mahandite matunda ma thakame uma ko na hemoglobin etahana na plasma na platelets
kwaje gwiko gatuma riu ni gakwanjitie kuingira ukauga kabo tukirirwo cemania na kirumi
pio mungangana na kioe muhonu. Well, some wayward boys would dare the odds. Mata beramudari. They hack a stupid plot. Ya kuyohio wao. Maafa gora meko mayago kuiyere na idero kerio ruwe. So some would, there were seldom cases you would get away with it.
But you wouldn't get away twice.
You see, your mother would even agree you are a terrorist.
Yes. Now you have crossed the line.
Now you are a cattle rustler.
Kesi ya kuru ne akinya state.
Kodoni masi aragu akinya koruta ko kwena coco mukono wathi yako kumuheithia story
ne komungetia
atino watu karu waji ko andu akuru eso
Nengaragu go twarire.
Nengaragu, you are pretending it is
you are pretending that you are full of compassion.
Ora pretend that ora decorate sunset here as you.
Ninja.
And you would know you have won. So you get in hand work ya trade. You have a milk can.
You have been granted the right of a frequent visitor.
Yes. You have an all access. Mudani. You get no idea. Okamanya bus.
Woko well we mu access.
Kaiwa inama mwania. You. Isha gana megate. Mudoni tanengera mudoni ante ndole toni kuchunga. Kana yo dhani ya shu ifati na ihua kigiro safasi nya hau zoso yakwa tiria munonyenda go kamwe tabinyi tirega kamwe na wani ukule tuiganane because the upstart children of that home they would not have time for their grandmother. So you are the entertainer. Well, you know na guitar dauti.
Na kumuyurithia kana mwaturire ngo.
Yes. Na otondo dutu gotiare ko. Dutu mwaruta na ku umire. Ulikotoka.
Kasa gotiare dutu.
Sasa. Vitongoji duni ndivyo vilivyokuwa nafunza. The haves and the have not. And that narrative is not about to change.
It's not about.
Yes. because it's Thursday, you see heke ndugitagore, and some of us know that from experience and from observation. Yes. Thirikari investite muno hari undu wigie infant mortality, maternal deaths over the years since independence day. Kwaja case in point Linda Mama. Yes. Niyokire with a lot of goodies and specialized care for expectant mothers. Yes. Mo matuko mateneri na titene munori. They were non-existent.
Sagutiale maundu ta mau.
Yes. It was not uncommon gukora muiretu kana mutimia niyo handa. Agathie thibitari kugia mwana. Yes. Kiriniki. Not many people used to go.
Cia kuri maikarago uguo.
Yes. Makorio tu nikaradhaka. And I think it is the reason why ciana cia tene especially America maituri. Tujue kuna twarutire miri no. There is a point otoro warugamite miaka 6 Doranyiha
sluggish growth.
Yes. You are out from 3. You remain with that frame
for 4 years.
Yes. Of course there were issues of nutrition na matuko mau. Leu akora mwana na mirire. You see the supplements that me marahe the iron they have those ones. Ginya the mwana akiumari. Ginya mahede me very well formed.
He's a healthy kid.
Yes. Izwe atwas you ariwo moto oke bounce agane ruo to tiari. No, we even thought that is the way it is supposed to be. Ciana cia thikũ ici itiraciarwo na ruo totia.
Cia tene.
Ruo totia nĩ ũndũ wa aya anina nini mataramenya ri. You know, mwana agĩciarwo matukũ mau ri. The skull base formation ndiakorwo ĩkinyanĩire mahĩndĩ ma mũtwe. Rĩu haha igũrũ nĩ haikagia. Yes.
Na nĩ weragwo ndũkanagerie kũhutia mwana hau.
Nĩ ũngĩahurũkirio thiĩte gũtwara curiosity yaku hau.
Uhutie ngenge yanyu. You would be killed.
You see, it was very exciting to look at and you would be very tempted.
Ana curiosity.
You see, it is the pulmonary artery. It twaraga oxygenated blood kure hakiri. Niyo yaikagia. Tondu ihĩndĩ rĩa haha rĩtigomanĩte mwana ũcio ti mũkinyane.
Rĩtimereirie.
Wona ũguo kona tarĩ maĩ marakunũ. Ũrĩa maĩ makunũka mũgũnda na gatĩri.
Ukaigua kuhutia.
Ũkĩhutia ũndũ amenyaga rũhĩ rwa umaku.
Ũrenda kũraga mwana?
We nĩkĩ kũgũrũkaga we? No, babies nowadays, and I'm saying that because I have kids and I have not seen that. Yes. And it's one nagatoria nin. Yes. No, we don't see that. It's even very rare. Kuona mwana ũronga kiara ihinda iraihu. But they somehow very quickly
they would grow that.
I would leave that. Hey, tene ni wona mũndũ mwĩbae.
No aronga kiara.
No kiara njeki niũrũ-inĩ. Ginya ethagĩrwo mũthũkũrũ-i. Agetherwo biribiri. Akarũa nayo.
Atiga kuoga kiara.
It was that addictive. But I think it was malnutrition.
I think so.
You wouldn't no I keep go busy. Eto ginya kwe moha guo. Ya duara iru groove ne mama. Ana a glove. Yes.
Nigga atiga kuoga kiara.
Ona glove is ya dimitari. It was a fight.
No gyogira ninge kiara excessive rĩu gũkĩria the allowable age.
Yes.
No one ka rĩu ninge ta wĩna gatithio.
No one ka rĩu wĩna ka obese to kana develop. You see the pose you yako ga kiarari. Well, you didn't look very bright. Especially when you were of age.
mĩaka rĩu rĩ yakinyaga ũka expect rĩu korwo ũiganĩtie nginya kuonga kĩara
maũndũ mau moka mathirĩte ũkahora and I think it is with proper nutrition and health care to tene mwana agĩkauga auge sentence ithatũ itoĩka nĩ gĩkũyũ kĩarĩ kĩritũ
ndigũtia nĩ gĩkũyũ kĩarĩ kĩritũ nĩ nginya mazingira marĩa mwana arĩ
to waigua mwathi mũgathiĩ ta mwaka ũgĩcoka hai ũndarĩ aria kamwe wĩtwo atĩa kanamu
wow
amamu
Ukamanya, you are not about to have a conversation.
This whole the phrases and the clauses are taking a while to conjoin. You see nowadays mwana munini ni they are constructing sentences. Ni maina ni na misrecho.
You see the umuthi ona ciana cio umuthi they are exposed to many things. Andu aingĩ radio TV
technology misrecho cocomelon.
No hema tukuma nari ho mwana kire igua no nyina.
Exactly. Na me aboya ciega bananyoni. Anakio ciana cinini tene ri cigo iria mamenya acia mbere ri ara anime amragia ĩrĩa nĩ ndũ that is their world. No, people had started to grow, and it was environmental. It was not like a condition. No, the environmental to murire is, you know. Yes. Akoko ya muna ira ni nini? Sorry. Kaya ndeke. Keke. Keke. Ma. Aka aba metamo. Aikia miaka tatu wakale kia mobe. Jana vi koisika kage siarwo. Mura oyo wadiri yeri.
Na gethie.
Tene mwana ni amenya kuri akigwa tare menya kwaria.
The environmental factors.
And you know it was your role as a siblings mundu mugeni yokari amwari riari ukamwira daragia
ndale ajia kwaria
asa nani aiguaga anyana mamuthe athukagira mugatuika riu mwakiri.
You stand in the gap.
You stand in the gap and nani araigu
na githio tu Benjamin
ne veje
ndale aria
asa nona gwa baba na baba na pupu. No, you would literally wait and very many seasons. Okiria no maginya kwaria reu wega maragia mathie thukuru. Yes.
Thukuru.
Of course genetically people are different, but back then environmental factors and others this year affectaga.
No amenya baka menya mwaki ni muru.
We ndio baka utia girathi. Reu amuragia karaja neke keria
tinia girathi ata kimenya mwaki ni ugwati
hal malira kihuta
kihutia girathi akia bakurido guoko kirai
ko hehe
le Ndiwithia riku kiari kirito. Ni nginya mazingira maria mwana ari.
Yes. So waigua mwathi mugathiita mwaka ugicoka hai ondari aria. Kamwe wetawatia. Kamamu.
Wow.
Amamu.
Kama you are not about to have a conversation.
No, this whole the phrases and the clauses are taking a while to conjoin. You see nowadays mwana munini ni a whole they are constructing sentence. Ni maina ni na misrejo.
You see the umuthiri ona ciana cio umuthi they are exposed to many things.
Yes.
Adwa igere, radio, TV,
technology misrejo, cocomelon.
No, hema tukumana ri mwana kire igua no nyina.
Exactly. Na me aboya ciega bananyoni. Aleke jana jini ni teneri. Shiko dia mama nyasi ya bereri. Ara anime. Mama lagi area nedo. That is their world. No, people had stunted growth and it was environmental. It was not like a condition. No, the environmental started murire. You know. Yes. Akako ya muna ira ni nini? Sorry. Kile andeke. Keke. Ma. Aka aba metamo. Aikia miaka tatu wakale kia mobe. Jana viko isika kage siarwo. Mura he oyo wadiri yeri.
Nage thie.
Tene mwana ni amenya akuri akiwatare amenya kwaria.
The environmental factors.
And you know it was your role as a siblings modo mugeni yokari amware riari mukamura daragia
dale ajia kwaria
asa nani aiguaga anyana mamo de adukagira mugatukara mwakiri.
You stand in the gap.
You stand in the gap and nani ara igu
la ideo tu Benjamin
ne veje
dale aria
asa nona gwa baba na gwa baba na pupu. No, you would literally wait and very many seasons. Okiria no maginya kwaria wega maragia mathie thukuru. Yes. Of course genetically people are different, but back then environmental factors and others this affectaga.
No ameni abaka menya mwaki ni muru.
We ndio baka utia girathi. Amuragia karaja neke keria
Tinia girathi ata kimenya mwaki ni ugwati
hal malira kihuta
kihutia girathi akia bakulindo guoko kirai
ko hehe